What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and to yet another video. So ever since I did the G Drive ad last week, I had a couple people ask me, how do I do that? How do I track my text to an object? And that's exactly what I'll be showing you today. So let's jump right into Final Cut Pro and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, welcome back. Now that we are in Final Cut Pro, I already have a clip of my friend of mine walking from a shoot a couple years ago. We're just going to use this as an example. And what we're going to do is we're going to track text to his ear. We're going to track his Instagram handle to his ear so that it follows his movement. Before we get into this, you have to know that Pixel Film Studios plugin, the Final Cut Pro Auto Tracker 2.2, is not a free plugin. You must pay for it. I think it was like $29, but it's completely worth it. It will save you a bunch of time in post when you are having to keyframe to track, and then your footage comes out all jittery. So that's what we're not gonna do. So first things first is we're gonna click on titles, and we're gonna type in basic title. You can use any title you want, and I'm just gonna use the basic title. And I am going to type in his Instagram handle at stay motivated. And I'm just going to change the font to impact, just like so. I'm going to make it slightly bigger, just like that. And put it about right here. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Right there. All right, then we're gonna cut it. What happened? All right, then we are going to cut it here. We're gonna drag this title to the end and get it out the way. You'll see why in a second. Next thing you want to do is you want to find your Pixel Film Studios Auto Tracker 2.2 or 2.0, and you want to look for the one that says drop zone. You're gonna drop that over top of your footage, and you can cut this as well. And you're going to go into the text editor portion of it, and it's going to bring up this menu right here. And you want to make sure it's in track mode, and you want to go to track editor. Make sure that your playhead is set to the beginning, just like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to track his ear, just like so. Just like that. We're going to track his ear. That, and we are going to track forward. All we're worried about is the rotation, is the position. If we did, let's just do position and scale. That way, if it gets closer, it gets bigger. If it gets further away, the text gets smaller. And we're just going to track further. Just going to track forward, using the ear, good to go. And boom. It's okay. It didn't track the last frame, which is fine. And we're going to hit export data. It's going to do its thing. All right, now that that's done, you want to come back over here into the drop zone menu, into the track mode. You want to change your track mode to display mode. And you are going to scroll down to drop zone controls and make sure drop zone is on. And then you are going to select the clip that you want, i.e. I want to use this clip right here. And then I'm going to apply clip, just like so. And I want to make the text a little bit bigger. So instead of doing that in the text, I'm going to use the scale on the drop zone controls. And I'm going to do about right there and change the scale of the entire box to about right there. And boom. Now we have this. And we can get rid of the original text because it's already gone. And then when you play it back, you're left with something like this. And there you have it. That is how we track text in Final Cut Pro using a third-party plugin from Pixel Film Studios. And until next time, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.